Hello everyone, our team name is Current Arbor. I am Avinav and she is Nesara. We are from Excel Public School, Mysore, Karnataka. The theme we have chosen is agriculture. Our problem statement is develop a prototype of an automated device or machine that assists small farmers in such as watering.
Caring for water is caring for us all by Dermot James.
Today we are going to delve into the fascinating world of water management and introduce you to the automated three-phase current notification system that can revolutionize the way of optimize water usage. Get ready to dive into the future of sustainability. We did the primary and secondary surveys and got the below results. Farmers would like to adopt the new technology, understood the problem faced by farmers with three-phase current, recognize the importance of water and current from the farmers. Most of the device can detect the three-phase current when it is available. It just makes sound or sends a message when it detects the three-phase current. But by using a system, farmers can detect three-phase current in their mobile phones and turn on the motors for irrigation using their phone.
The core functionality of Smart Farming Assistant lies in automated watering system. Leveraging soil moisture sensors, the device assesses real-time moisture levels in the soil.
Subsequently, based on the collected data, the system autonomously activates the watering mechanism, ensuring crops receive precisely the required amount of water for optimal growth. When the soil moisture reaches the threshold value, the motor turns off automatically. Enhancing accessibility further, the user-friendly interface simplifies both the setup and operation for the device, offering an affordable solution for farmers. Through this intuitive interface, farmers can effortlessly configure settings and receive actionable recommendations. This functionality empowers farmers to receive alerts related to three-phase current system to adjust watering schedules and monitor soil moisture levels.
A key aspect of the device is its commitment to resource optimization, specially tailored for crops such as paddy and sugarcane. The device optimizes water usage by customizing irrigation to the specific needs of the crop, by preventing overwatering and ensuring efficient water distribution. The Smart Farming Assistant contributes significantly to conserving water resources, reducing operation cost and agriculture practices.
This is how our system works. Reads values from the voltage sensor. If three-phase current is available, it calls the farmer. If farmer calls back, the system reads the value of the voltage sensor and soil moisture sensor. If all voltages are on, the soil moisture level is more than the threshold value, then the system turns on the pump. After soil moisture level reaches the threshold value, automatically the system turns off the pump. I did code for the device and helped in the research document.
I did the survey and helped in consolidating the research document.